Whoever invented the SR-71 Blackbird is really a genius. It's faster than a missile. Not even rifle bullets can catch up with it. The Blackbird reconnaissance aircraft has a 30-year flight history, more than 2,800 hours of flight time, and created the myth that no one was shot down. If fire a missile at it, it can increase speed to Mach 3.2 in a short time. This is far faster than the speed of the missile. The Blackbird reconnaissance aircraft entered service in 1966. This is an ultra-high-speed manned reconnaissance aircraft developed during the Cold War in order to deal with the possible outbreak of nuclear war. It is mainly used to perform secret missions and collect confidential information. It is capable of flying 17 miles above the Earth's surface. It can reach an astonishing speed of 2,200 miles per hour. This enables it to ignore any threats, since the flight height and speed of the SR-71 are beyond the range that the human